guys, welcome back to the channel. Kiki's back in action. I'm trying y'all, trying. I got a couple videos that I am in the works, but I figured, you know what, let me hop on the channel real quick while I'm in a whole totally different country and kind of show y'all a few things. So I am actually packing up this room, but I just wanted to give you guys like a little tour of the room. It's not a whole lot. This is basically it. But I figured, you know, for my people who may not go to Tokyo or may be interested in going to Japan, you could at least get kind of an idea of what you might get for your money. But this is, I guess, like a get ready with me, but more like I'm just packing up. Anyways, so this is the bed. Well, wait, before I even get that started, let me just get the rest of my stuff out of this corner, and then I'll show you that at the same time. You know? Whew. Well, what's been up with you guys? Alright, so jacket, sure. Not been much going on here. You guys have to excuse me, my sinuses are really talking lately. Alright. So I decided to come up on the channel real quick and show you guys how some of the things that I like about when we come to Japan. I think this is my third time coming. And the reason why I come is because I'm working on a project. I'm an interior designer, as you guys already know. And we are doing a school. We've done a few schools, but we're doing a school in Japan. This will be the third. I think this will either be the third or fourth one that I've worked on here. So, quite nice to be able to have this opportunity, you know? So, I got everything out of this section. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the room and the bathroom. Because the bathroom, I need to get some stuff out of there too. Okay. Put on my sweater real quick and give y'all some tea of Tokyo life. Alrighty. Excuse the no makeup because traveling. I might do my brows and that's about it. Okay, so here is the bed. When you first, okay, wait. This is when you first walk in, and literally you step up. This is my suitcase and the packages in it. The soft cushion, and then you have the bed, basically. I can legit touch this wall and this wall at the same time. You don't get a lot of space, but then like you really don't need a lot of space, you know, because you're not coming here to sit in the room. So anyways, so bed, the Japanese, they like a hard bed. So it's definitely something to get used to. My back keeps itching, you guys, sorry. And then let's see, so let me turn on the lights in there because I gotta clean this stuff up too. So you get your shower, nothing special, just like literally like a little hole. And then you have your toilet, and whenever you get a chance to travel to Tokyo or Japan, period, The thing I love the most is this right here. Like the duvet, whatever. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, this like, like guys, I will have one of these in my house. Period. Like, period. So just a small space, maybe 40 square feet, if that. Like, if that. Probably, this is probably actually more like 20 square feet. But enough to use the bathroom, wash your face, wash your hands, brush your teeth, get you, like, they have like a little set. I use the body towel, and a small shower. And this is actually some nice body soap. I actually don't typically use the hotel body soap because I have really sensitive skin. But I didn't mind that one. Didn't mind it at all. So let me at least do a little bit of brow real quick. Actually, no, let me pack this all up. Because I definitely put on my serums today. And I wanted to do a face mask, a sheet mask. But I just ran out of time to do that. Brush my teeth again because I need to put my Invisalign back on. We had this amazing sushi earlier, which I'm gonna show in the other video, like more like of Japan. So excuse me 1 second. Now, I definitely will say, if you're used to a lot of space, super luscious rooms and super soft beds and all that, that is not, mainly not here. Only because space is a premium here. And this room was 74,000 yen. So that's between 69, 70 bucks, depending on the conversion rate. And the conversion rate right now is like 109 or something like that. So, anyways, all right. Alright, so I'm going to put on some brows real quick, y'all. And then we're going to make moves to the next thing in life, okay? Because we are traveling from Tokyo to Yokosuka. So, putting on a little primer. I have like little problem areas, as we all do. Now, this is not a good angle, but this ain't no makeup video, so I am not a makeup artist at all, like at all, but just using just a little BB cream. kind of just enough to say that there's something there. But you know, you're freaking traveling so much, it ain't gonna matter. Get these brows together real quick. But yeah, guys, so my skin is so dry right now. So I need to do that sheet mask. But yeah, so this was just a quick little rendition, my little 2 cents of thing of what you would expect in a small hotel room for 74,000 yen. And we basically just walked around just a little bit because our work starts this afternoon. Walked around and stuff, so I have footage for that, which that will be in the next video. But I'm trying to just at least just get more content on life for you guys, and then I can like be able to look back on this stuff. Mainly. Because I'm sure ain't nobody really checking for me, but it's okay. I'm not like trying to make money off of YouTube or nothing like that. But literally just a way to document life and look back. And I think this is all I'm gonna do, y'all. I could do a little liner, but I mean, I'm just traveling, so it's not like necessary to do all that. But I did need a little brow though. Because the brows was looking kind of bare. All right, y'all. So just a little brow, you know, just a little bit. All right, guys. So here's a room for you guys. Idea Hotel Anna, I believe. What's the name? All right, gotta travel on to the next. So I'll check y'all later. Deuces. Subscribe, comment, like, keep up, and follow me on through the journey. Okay? Love y'all. Bye.